In this video, we show you how to install GearMate on your pre-installed ProFlex Bike Rack. You can customize the layout to suit your needs. If you wish to pivot your bike, you can leave space for the bike on your preferred pivoting side. Your GearMate comes with 3 bracket sizes, 3 bin sizes, a helmet hook, 2 accessory hooks, 2 hook and loop straps, and a hex key. The GearMate system utilises a spine that the brackets connect to. The ProFlex Rack should already have the spine pre-installed, so you're ready to go. Secure the brackets to the spine in your desired locations. Take into account your preferred pivot direction of your bike. Slide the bins onto the brackets. Then the accessory hooks. Helmet hook. Secure the hook and loop straps around the bracket. Then close your rack and fine-tune the positioning of the bins and hooks if needed. Once satisfied, tighten all screws using the hex key. Be careful not to over-tighten. And as your accessories change over time, you can modify the setup to suit. Over time, check your fixings are still secure. Be careful not to over-tighten. Regularly clean your GearMate to keep in top condition. Use a clean, dry or slightly damp microfiber cloth to prevent scratches. Avoid abrasive cleaners, as they could damage the materials. Congratulations! Now you're ready to ride.